We have a really large storm system that we've been tracking for about 4 days now. It started over in the Pacific Northwest, and we've been watching as it's gone up into Canada, and then finally moved into here in West Michigan. You can see some scattered rain showers on the leading edge, as we expected, and it's going to try to transition over to snow. But the emphasis there is on the word try. It's really going to struggle. Temperatures staying warm over our area. In fact, we should be sitting in the mid-30s tonight as it tries to convert over to snow. Here's how much snow we have on the ground. More to the north, a little bit less to the south. Spots like Marshall starting to get a little sparse. And I have a feeling the rain showers that are moving in tonight are going to eat away at that snowpack even more so. We're not expecting too much to add on over the next few days. We have a lot of snow chances, just not a lot of snow amounts. Luckily, temperatures should be pretty good for our ski resorts to restore that snowpack, especially after the rain moves out. It's 37 still in Grand Rapids. That's warmer than our average high by 6 degrees even now. So it just goes to show you, again, how warm it is for this time of year. And it continues the narrative that we're seeing a very low snow winter. You would think with this system just off to our west, it would promise so much snow. But it's really going to struggle to do so. As it swings in, not only is it going to be met with warmer temperatures, a lot of the snow is going to be thrown to the north near Highway 10. So best chance of accumulation is Big Rapids and to the north. Here's what we expect looking ahead. Chances of rain and snow on Friday, 37 degrees. It's not going to be a soggy day. It's going to be one of those days with a lot of chances of rain and snow. There will be one band of rain and snow that we have to watch. I'll show you that in your FUTURECAST in just a second. Saturday, kind of same story as this system swirls through, but not as high of a chance of rain. And then Sunday, actually just looked at the forecast models, and I think we're lessening the snow chances. So tomorrow on daybreak, you can check just to be sure, but right now it's looking more like a 20% shot of snow on Sunday. Here's your snow FUTURECAST. Again, heaviest amounts to the north. Likely going to be seeing less than a ½ an inch overall by this time tomorrow. Some exceptions have to do with the places that are in this band. So Ionia, you're right on the fringe here as it swings on over Mount Pleasant, Big Rapids, Fremont, all have increased chances of seeing some heavier snow. But by heavier, I mean maybe an inch, maybe an inch and a half. Here's a check of your jet stream. This system helps to drag the cold air down. And it does make way for more cold air from Canada to swing down too. That's one of the reasons why we're going to settle down closer to 30 by Monday and then stay there for at least Tuesday and Wednesday with more very light snow chances. I guess one of the upswings about this forecast is the fact that after all, we're still dealing with COVID and a lot of people are trying to get outside to blow off steam. So at least a lot of the sidewalks have been clear and have been kind of staying clear.
That's true.
That's one way to think about it.
Yeah, people thinking of the
Absolutely.
silver linings.
Thanks, Ellen.
It works.